Okay, so the repository. Right, so anytime you stuck anywhere in Elegant JBI, you can just click the home button and you will be back at the home screen. Uh, the arrow here gives you the main menu. Okay. Uh, Now this is the repository. The first row is currently used objects. Okay, so these are the screens which I have opened, dashboards which I have opened recently, or the objects which I have opened recently. So sales home is one which you are looking at right now. Uh, Aging bill is something which I looked at. These are the cubes. So the cubes are like I pointed out in the architecture. The cubes are the place where the aggregated data is uh, held. So if I go back here, so these are the cubes, right? And so these are the different cubes which are in this particular database, and we are looking at the sales database. Now, in my folders, we don't have anything at the moment, but usually you can put your specific local objects which are you have created and stored, which will be of our own individual consumption. A repository is the location where you store the data objects that you create for making dashboard. So say for example, if I look at this demo app, right, and I say we were looking at sales home. This is where its physical location actually is. Okay, and you can kind of uh, go further in it and say if I look at sales analytics, these are the different objects which are used in sales analytics. So this shows all the objects and which have been used in making so I mean, if I click on all objects, I mean, I can see the cross tab, tabular, graph, geomaps, KPI, which are there in this particular section. Let's say, for example, what does it mean? I mean, what does an object mean? So say I will open okay, I will open this radar chart, for example. Now, this radar chart is actually on the sales analytics dashboard. So what it entails is that you make the radar graph as an independent object here first, okay, by creating a new object, and uh, then you can. Oh, sorry, I clicked the home button, but it's okay. Uh, so yeah, so we were here somewhere. Okay, so and all the objects are stored here, and then you can create a new object and start working on building a dashboard or anything else. Uh, Say for example, if I make a dashboard, I'm going to use this objects and insert these objects into the dashboard. Now, say if I want to make a new cross tab or a tabular report or a graph or a geomap or a KPI or KPI group, uh, I can start from here. I mean, the sections which we are going to cover in after this are going to be for creating each of these objects. So this will get you rolling. So say, like I showed you, the objects in the sales analytics section are performance analysis, the quantity versus sales bubble graph. We'll have a look at it. Let's quickly go there. Okay, so this is basically the hierarchy, and let's go back onto the dashboard and let's go to sales home. Yeah, and then we see the sales analytics. So the radar chart was not used here, it seems. It was used somewhere else. Okay. So my mistake. Well, I mean, the radar charge has been used in contribution or some other place, but I think here it is. Yeah. So, so I think I have communicated what the structure is, and now what we're going to get into is the hierarchy. So I'm going to hand it over to Pradeep, who is going to show you how the hierarchy actually works in ElegantJ.